Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Before getting into today's session, let's get updated on today's date. What is today's date? 18/2/2021. So 18 here denotes today's date. 2 here denotes second month of the year, that is February. 2021 is this year. So today's date is 18/2/2021. And what day is today? Today is Thursday. THURSDAY, Thursday. So today's date is 18/2/2021 and today is Thursday. So we are going to continue today LSR, that is reading. Already we had finished a few by Kiran ma'am and Jayalakshmi ma'am. So they had handed over the list to me. So we are going to continue the names whom they will call. Yes. So I have my own list. According to that, I am going to call you. So please do not put your names in the chat box till we ask. Fine. Okay. So all of you get ready for reading. The first one is here from E section, Tangudu Teja. Tangudu Teja, are you there, Kanna? Yes, Tangudu Teja. You can unmute your video and audio, Kanna. Jai Gurudev, you can unmute your video and audio and read this first sentence. Yes, be little louder, read without help.
One day, an old man planted some honey garden. A few days, turnips began to grow, but
Thank you, Teja.
one
Teja, thank you. I asked you to read only one sentence. Thank you, Teja. Very good. So next I'll call upon Darini. Darini, you can mute your video and audio, ma. Darini of 1E.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Darini. You can read the second sentence. Second sentence.
In few days, turnips began to grow.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Darini. Next I will call Jeevika. Jeevana and Jeevika, are you there? Yes, Kanna, read the third sentence, ma. See, I'm underlining now the third sentence. First, Jeevana will read, then I will move on to Jeevika. Now, who is reading?
Jeevana ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, Jeevana.
சொல்லு. மேம் அவங்க இன்னும் ரீடிங் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணல மேம். மண்டே ஒண்ணு சொன்ன.
No problem, ma'am. Let them spell it out and read. Let them try something because I have to mark for them. I have to put marks for reading for them. Let them spell it out and read slowly. No problem.
Spell பண்ணு. என்னது? சொல்லு. படிமா. என்ன பார்க்கறது பாருங்க. சொல்.
Yes, Jeevana, I will read. You just repeat it now. That.
But
Slowly. One turnip grew big. Very big. No problem, Jeevana. Daily you have to read more stories and get practice, reading practice. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jeevana. Next time nobody should help you. You must read it by yourself for the next assessment. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Jeevana. Now, Jeevika, you read the next sentence, Kanna.
படிங்க. என்ன பார்க்கறாங்க படிங்க. ஸ்பெல் பண்ணு. எழுத்து கூட்டி படிங்க.
Jeevika,
Yes.
read it. It
It
grew as big as
and bigger
his garden.
is garden.
Okay, both of you must have more and more reading practice. Okay, next time I'll only come to your class for next assessment. I should see you more improvement. Okay, Kanna? Yes, daily you have to read at least one page and get practice. Yes, Jeevana and Jeevika, you can mute your audio and I will move to Janavika. Janavika, are you there? Janavika. Janavika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janavika. Now read this sentence, ma.
Only one.
No, ma. What I am underlining just now, the next para. Can you see the cursor? The old man.
OLD. Old. MAN. Man. WAS. Was. HAPPY. Happy. CO2. SEEC. PhD. BIG. Big.
Okay.
TURNIP. Turnip.
Very good, Janavika. You can mute your audio and video. Next, Kamakshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome, Kanna.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. Kamakshi, are you there, Kanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Now you read this next sentence. This I am underlining now.
One day. This is one day. In between one word is there. ON1. One. FINE. Fine.
Okay.
One fine day.
Okay.
He
T-R-I-E-N. Tornado.
No, T-R-I.
Try. Tried to pull a big turnip out of the garden. He
Enough, Kanna. Thank you. Thank you, Janavika. You can mute your, sorry, you are Kamakshi, right? You can mute your video and audio. Next, Mahavidya. Mahavidya, I can see your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanna, read this last sentence in this slide.
What page number? I-T-M-A-N-Y. Many times. B-U-T, bat, failed. The T-H-E-N, then H-E-He, C-A-L-E, failed, called,
Failed. 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 Okay, so he filled it many times, but he failed. Okay. Thank you, Mahavidya. You can use your video and audio. Thank you, Kanna. Jagan will keep on sending some smileys. That's not good. Stop it, okay? You can also just mute your audio and you can get reading practice. Okay, you don't want to sit idle that side. Those who we are calling alone, they can unmute and talk. Others can read the slide by muting your audio. Yes? Okay, don't need to play with the smileys and with the chat box. Yes, Kanna, Mokshita. Mokshita, 1E. Mokshita. I can see your name, Mokshita, here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mokshita, you can read this first line in the slide. First sentence, first line in the slide.
Call for the help.
Very good, Mokshita. Beautiful. Next, Nehan. Nehan of 1E. Mokshita, you can mute your audio now. Thank you. Yes, Kanan. Nehan. 1E, Nehan. Hope he is not there. Okay. Nandana.
Say good day, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Nandana. You can read the second sentence.
Yes.
Which I am
His wife came running to help. And
very good, Nandana. Enough. Thank you. Thank you, Nandana. Can mute your audio. Next, I will move on to Ojasvi. Ojasvi, are you there? Yes, Ojasvi. You can read this the third sentence. Till now, I am underlining it.
And the both of H-T-H-E-M both them pulled and pulled.
Okay. So when you read that and the both. The is not at all there. Okay. Even if you read it slowly, read carefully, look carefully and read the word. Okay. Anyway, you tried your best. Very good, Rojashri. Thank you very much. Next, I will call Puviri of 1E. Next, I will go to exception for a few minutes. Okay. Yes, Puviri, you can read this last sentence of this paragraph, which I am underlining now. Puviri?
But the picturnip did not move.
Okay, thank you, Puviri. So now I will move on to F section. Alman, Muhammad Alman. Okay, Batmish. Batmish of 1A for you there, ma? Yeah, I can see your name. Batmish. Batmish. Okay, Batmish, if you have any network issue because of that you are unable to unmute, you just put it in the chat box, ma. Okay. I'll move on to next child, Ranganathan. Ranganathan. Yes, I can see your name, Ranganathan. Yes, Ranganathan. Can you read this line which I am underlining with dark blue now?
The word
Color, which line you are reading?
THEM them.
Which I had underlined right now. See here, can you see the cursor? Ranganathan, please wait.
BOTH but OF
No, ma, this sentence is not beginning with the THE.
called
Ranganathan, could you see the slide, Kanna? Could you see the slide?
BOTH but OF of THEM them. CANN called OF F4 for HCLP help. Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. Very good, Ranganathan. Thank you, Ranganathan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, welcome, my dear. So next I'll call Sai Krishnan. Sai Krishnan of 1A.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Krishnan, can you read? Good morning. Can you read this next line which I had underlined with this pink color?
Both of them.
Very good. You have to get ready with the book like this. Very good. Well done, Sai Krishnan.
Sound down.
Horse came running to help. All three of them pulled and pulled, but
Thank you, Sai Krishnan. You can mute your audio. Next, I will call Sanjay M. Vignesh. Vignesh M. Vignesh. Sorry, B. Vignesh. B. Vignesh. Yes, Vignesh.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vignesh. How are you?
Fine.
Fine.
Okay, can you read this, which I am underlining right now with maroon color?
Other minutes, ma'am.
The old man was happy To see the big tree.
Okay, I asked you to read some line. You are reading some other line. Okay, actually it is turnip. So without help, you have to try to read Vignesh. Okay, no problem. You can read and read more and more, read more and more, and get Vignesh.
Okay.
Okay, Vignesh. Okay, Vignesh. Super. Yes. So I will call Harshika. Harshika. I'm unable to see her name. I'll move on to Jashrita Shri. Jashrita Shri. Jashrita. Jashrita, kindly unmute your video and audio, ma. Jashrita.
Jashrita, are you finding any network issues? In that case, can you put it in the chat box, Kanna? So that we will call you once again. Parents will call up when your kid is not able to turn up. Please put it up in the chat box so that in the next class also we'll call the particular child. Other than that, we'll move off. Yes, Jashrita.
She's coming out. No, she is unable to hear. Jashrita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jashrita, you can read this line which I am underlining now. Hmm. 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 Okay. Very good, Jashrita. Thank you very much. You can mute your video and audio. Next, I'll call Kanitra. Kanitra. Yes, Kanitra. Can you read this next line? Next line.
3 of them of
Mm.
hell.
Mm. Okay, very good.
I'm running to
Thank you, Kanitra. Thank you. Called for help. You have to stop for each word and you have to read clearly. Okay, Karna? Yes, thank you, Kanitra. Next, I am going to call on Kavyashree. Kavyashree of one name. Kavyashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kavyashree. Can you read this line, Kanna? Which I had underlined with purple color.
Yeah, ma'am.
Nehan I called. When I called, they did call. Yes, Kavyashree. See here, I had underlined with the purple color, na, this one. You can see the cursor.
Go game
Hmm.
or
Good, Kanna. Yes, now you can mute yourself. And Jagannath, I can see in the chat box you keep on putting some pictures over there. Please don't do that. Okay? Yes. In the next time, if you do, I'll ask the host to send you to the lobby. Okay? Yes. I hope you will not repeat that again. Yes. Next, I call upon Prithinga Street. Prithinga Street. Prithinga Street. Prithinga Street. Prityanga Street. Okay, so no response, so I'm moving to the next child. Sadhana. Sadhana.
yes, ma'am.
Sai Krishnan, don't unmute yourself, Kanna. Okay, Sadhana, yes, Sadhana. Can you read for me what ma'am has underlined in the blue color?
A donkey came running to help.
Wow, super, super, very good, very good. That's more than enough, Sadhana, very good. Super, keep it up, dear. Okay, next I call upon Samutri. 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 Yes, Kanna, could you read for me the line which I've underlined in green color?
All the fright
Mm.
of
Mm.
them
Mm.
came
Came all, no, all 5 of them. After that, what word is there? Yes, Samutri. Are you using a textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Could you check out for me after what word is coming? Then after the them word, what is appearing over there? Is
Held.
it called pulled? Pulled. Then yes, Kanna. After that. Yes, what happens, Samutri? And repeat after me. And then what is the last word here? What is the last word here in the class in the sentence? Very good. Good, Kanna. Keep practicing. Okay. You get the speed of reading. Okay. Good. Yes, you can mute yourself, Savitri. Yes. Next, I call upon Satvika. Satvika. Yes, Satvika. Okay. Yes. Could you read for me the last line which I have underlined in the brown color? Yes, Satvika. Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, look, yes, you can start reading, Kanna. What happens, Satvika? It is but, okay? Hmm. Then, but the, what is next word? Use the phonics sound, Kanna. Big. So what is the sound? What word is that? Big. Repeat after me, Satvika. Big. Repeat after me, Kanna. Big. Turnip. Yes. Big turnip. Okay. What is the next word?
Ma'am, he read, ma'am.
You finished. Could you repeat the last line, Kanna? Last 3 words alone, because I'm not able to hear. After turnip, could you read for me next? Okay. Then. Hmm. Very good, very good. Good, Kanna. Keep practicing. Keep on reading. You'll get practiced. Okay. Good. Now, yes, you can mute yourself, Satvika. You can mute yourself. Okay. Next, I call upon Tejasvi. Tejasvi. So Tejasvi is not there. Varsha. Varsha.
Yes.
Yes, Varsha. Could you read for me the line which I've underlined in blue color now?
A dog.
A dog.
Hmm.
அதுதான் dog.
A
இங்க இருக்கு பாரு புக்க படி புக்க படி. A dog.
dog.
Hmm. 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 Wow, very good, Varsha. Good, Kanna. Good. Keep it up. Okay, thank you so much. One line is enough for me. Thank you so much. Yes, good. Super. Yes, yes, Kanna. You can mute yourself. Okay. Welcome, dear. Yes, next I move to the E section. Pradanya. 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 Yes, I couldn't find Pradanya over here. Next is Ramya. Ramya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ramya. Could you read for me the next line which I've underlined in the green color?
As say as
Then?
more than old.
Okay, very good, very good. Superb, superb. Good, Kanna. Yes, you can mute yourself.
Thank you,
Next is
ma'am.
Sahitya. Well done. Sahitya. Sahitya of 1F, sorry, 1E. Sahitya. Yes, Kanna. Could you read for me? Yes, could you read for me the one which I've underlined in brown color?
Butter. Tea. Tea.
Okay, what is next? But the big, you finished with but the big. Then what is the next one?
Tea.
Mm.
You.
Mm.
I. P.
What is that word? Very good. Turnip. Okay, then?
Did.
Okay. What is the next word?
Yes. Tea.
What is that word?
Nut.
Not. Repeat after me. Not.
Not.
Good. Then? Very good, Kanna. Yes, sir. Keep practicing, okay? Yes? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Satakshi of 1E. Satakshi. Sadhana, kindly mute yourself, Sadhana. Okay, Satakshi is not there. Sai Lakshmi. Sai Lakshmi.
Morning, ma'am.
Shalakshmi, can you unmute yourself, Kanna? Yes, Kanna. Now can you read for me the one which are underlined in red color?
All six of them called for help.
Very good, Kanna. Very good, Shalakshmi. Super. Good. Keep it up, dear. You can mute yourself. Thank you so much. Okay. Sharvina Selvi. Sharvina Selvi. So, can you find Sharvina Selvi? So, I'm moving to Smita. Smita.
Yes,
Smita. Yes, Kanna. Could you read for me the next line?
okay.
What I'm underlining now?
Came running to help.
Very good, Kanna. Very good. Thank you so much, Kanna. Good. Next, I call upon Varumika. Varumika.
Yes,
Could you read for me this line, Kanna? What am I underlining now? Yes, Kanna.
All seven of them called for help.
Very. All seven of them call for help. Can you repeat after once again?
All
Mm.
seven
Mm.
of
Mm.
them
Mm.
pulled and pull.
Very good, very good. Good, Kanna, good. Keep it up. Put your mobile in mute now. Yes, now next I call upon Vismita. Vismita. Okay, Vismita is not in the participant list, so I call upon Nehan. Nehan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kanna. Jai Gurudev. Can you read for me what am I underlining now?
Blue color. Read.
But
Yes, Nehan.
Sound.
but the big turnip didn't move.
No, did not. Repeat after me. Did not.
Did not.
Oh, very good. See, you should not combine both the words. Okay, when you combine both the words, the sound reflex is different. Okay, the reflection of sound will be different. It is did not. Okay. Okay, Kanna. So read slowly so that you can get the words properly. Okay. Thank you so much, dear. You can mute yourself. Okay, so next, let me see on the participant list. Okay, yes. Okay. Rayan. So Rayan, I received your message to participate because of the technical issue. Could you unmute yourself, Kanna, now? Yes, Kanna, yes. Okay, now what am I underlining? You have to read. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay, could you read for me this line?
All seven of them called for help. Yes.
Very good, very good, Kanna. One sentence is more than enough for me.
All eight of them pulled and
Okay, thank you so much, very good, Kanna.
did not move.
Good. You can mute well done, dear. You can mute yourself. Yes, sir. Next, I call upon Naresh. Naresh,
Yes, ma'am.
make it first. Yes, Naresh. Yes, could you read for me this line? What am I underlining now?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Very good.
Running. help.
Superb. Very good, Kanna. Very good. Yes, next I call upon J. Very good, Kanna. J of 1E. J.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Kanna. Could you please tell me the line which are under and now?
All 8 of them pulled and pulled.
Very good, Kanna. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jay. Thank you. Yes, next I call upon Avanishwar. Avanishwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avanishwar. Could you read for me this last line?
All
No, I underline the last line in the brown color.
all 8 of them pulled it and pulled it.
It's pulled. Come on, repeat after me. Pulled
Pulled.
and pulled. Okay?
And pulled. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Kanna. Good, keep practicing. Yes, others whoever left over will be completing in the next session. Okay, thank you so much. It's time